In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search a large repository using ChatGPT Codex, making it much easier to find code, functions, and project files without manually browsing hundreds of folders. Start by signing into your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. If you're working on an existing project, connect your GitHub repository and wait for the coding environment to finish loading. Once your project is ready, click New Task. Instead of manually searching through folders, simply describe what you're looking for in plain English. For example, you could type find where the login authentication is implemented and identify the files responsible for user authentication. Or you could ask search the repository for the function that sends email notifications and explain how it works. If you're working with a website, another example would be find where the homepage navigation menu is defined and identify the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files that control it. After submitting your request, Codex will search across the repository and identify the most relevant files, functions, classes, and related code. Instead of only showing file names, it also explains why those files are relevant to your request. Review the search results and open the suggested files to better understand how the project is organized. If something isn't exactly what you were looking for, continue the conversation by narrowing your search. For example, you can ask Codex to find only API endpoints, database queries, configuration files, or functions related to a specific feature. You can also ask it to explain how different files work together. Once you've located the code you need, you can continue using Codex to modify it, generate documentation, fix bugs, refactor the implementation, or add new features without starting a new search. Searching a large repository this way is much faster than manually opening folders because Codex understands the structure of your project and the relationships between files. And that's how to search a large repository using ChatGPT Codex. Connect your project, describe what you're looking for in plain English, review the matching files, ask follow-up questions, and continue working directly from the search results.